How to set up Marcus by Goldman Sachs online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up Marcus by Goldman Sachs online account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you can simply search for Marcus by Goldman Sachs online account setup on your web browser. Then go to this account creation option, or you can just go to Goldman Sachs Online Banking, this one right here. I'll just show you how you can get from this to this. After you're here, you'll see open an account option. Tap on open an account and let's let that load. And while these load, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after you here choose an account, I'll just choose this open savings account. And there you can see I am on the same web page now. So whichever road you take, make sure that you get here. And after you're here, you can choose the account type. If you want to open multiple accounts at the same time, you can choose that. And finally, go through with your personal information. Then go and give your personal information, then verify your identity. Then you will have opened your account. So yeah, all you have to do now is follow the prompts and the forms, and then you'll have set up your account. And that's all for today's video. Bye bye.